So this one says solve for B. Why don't you guys try this one out? Try it out. Take a minute. You know, just give it your best shot. Again, it's new. I wouldn't expect you to get this on the first try because it is new. But if you do, that's great. If you don't, just give it a good go the first try.
Really nice.
Okay. Now, the first thing I noticed is we got these two denominators right here. Now, be careful. Take your time on these, right? Like, try not to rush yourself. Think about what you need to isolate the variable. The good news is it says B, right? So we do know that in the end we should get B equals something. Well, I guess maybe I'll put it on this side. B equals something. The problem with this right now is that the negative 8 does not have a denominator, B. Right now it has a denominator of 1. So I'm going to have to multiply that 1 by a B. So the 8 also multiplied by B, okay? So, I don't know. I'll rewrite the full equation right now just so we can see what happened right there. H over B minus 8B over B equals negative 3F over B, right? But now that we have all common denominators, I can get rid of them. So I can now show this equation as just 8H minus 8B equals negative 3F. Now, to isolate my B's right here, my negative 8B's, I want to get rid of that H. So I will, by using a principle of equality, I'm going to subtract H from both sides. And I am purposely offsetting the negative H there from the negative 3F because they're not like terms that I can combine. That zeroes out the H's. I can now drop my negative 8B, which equals negative 3F minus H. The last thing I need to do is to get rid of that negative 8 coefficient of B. I want it to be a phantom 1 right there, phantom 1. So I will take that negative 8 and divide it by itself, negative 8. But if you do it to one side, you need to do it to the other side. That's phantom 1. And I'm left with negative 3F minus H over negative 8. And yeah, at this point, some of you guys notice, okay, there's a lot of negatives right there. The negative 8 can really get rid of the negative and then the minus. So if you wanted to, you could write 3F plus H over 8. That's more work than I'm going to do, though, so I'm done. That's it. Same exact, by the way, this is the same exact equation as this one, just written in a different way for B this time.